Hello, my name is Jochen Hennes and I'm the Vice President of the Customer Innovation Center in Aachen, Germany. Every day our engineers here and in Graco application labs around the world are working with electric vehicle and battery manufacturers on solving tomorrow's e-mobility challenges today. We are prototyping, testing and optimizing solutions to ensure quality, safety and reliability so our customers have complete confidence in production-ready performance from day one. But some of our most important work happens before the spec sheet is written. We are constantly collaborating with material manufacturers and other industry leaders to bring promising innovation to life. For further insights, allow me to introduce Robert Delgado, US Account Manager and Market Strategist for e-mobility and Graco's Industrial Division.
Thank you everyone for coming today. We really appreciate it. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Robert Delgado. I'm the Global Market Strategist for our e-mobility pod inside of our market development team. And today really what it means to us is what it says. It's World EV Day. Some time ago we actually realized that the world's electrifying. Vehicles are becoming electric. And as a dispense company, right, that likes to pump fluids, we soon realized how important dispense was in the production of electric vehicle battery packs. There's a few things that I think we should all be considerate of, especially when we talk about EVs, because it's what means a lot to us, is the safety of the battery pack itself and the process in which they're manufactured. When we started going down the path of actually working with electric vehicle manufacturers, we realized how important those two things were. And what we really honed in on was making sure they were providing the customer with safe vehicles to drive with electrically charged batteries in them. One application that I want to highlight really is foam encapsulation. It's something we've spent a lot of time developing, a lot of time really working on with material suppliers to understand the chemistries and the small nuances that we need to be considerate of when we're building an equipment solution. Foam encapsulation is very critical. You've probably seen on the news that there are thermal events that happen when a vehicle has an accident, or sometimes when fast charging occurs and the cells heat up. Something needs to protect those cells from becoming an issue for anyone that's riding in the vehicle itself. So as we engage with material suppliers, we have to understand what this material was, what does it do, and what are the properties it needs to retain as we are metering it, we're mixing it, and dispensing it. And what we found is that the rise of the foam is very critical to that, just as one example. In order to get that rise, we had to really put our heads together on how the application needs to be performed and the process by which we actually do it. And then, of course, the equipment that we're going to use to actually do that. And what we found is there are different checkpoints, if you will, in the journey of this material that need to be considerate of what it does as we meter and mix it. And we have solutions for it today. We are happy to say that we're very successful in doing that application. We have really tried to position ourselves to be a partner in the design process with EV manufacturers to actually figure out how to dispense foam or an encapsulant into their battery. Many times what we found is that in the design of the battery itself, power efficiency of the battery is very critical. So it's designed to meet those criteria first and not really built or designed for dispensing material inside of it. So every battery that we actually come in contact with is different. They're not made the same. And we have to really work on the design process of the application with the customer to really figure out what the flow paths are, what the equipment needs to be, the flow rates, things like that. And we really like that. We really like to be a partner, a friend, a good supplier in making sure that the customer understands that we truly care about this application and we truly care about how they build the battery. So I kind of wanted to use World EV Day to really highlight our ability to really partner with manufacturers or material suppliers in understanding their materials and how they go into the applications that produce these battery packs, these modules that are very critical to a vehicle. And one thing that's very highlighted to us, especially as we work with our customers, is how happy they are with our equipment. It's very often that they tell us that they love the quality of it. They love that even if there's sometimes something doesn't go well, how Graco steps up and shows up to be a partner to solve for the problems that we're experiencing. And a lot of it has to do with you, with the people here at Graco that actually help manufacture the equipment. The quality, the time we put into quality, the attention we put into the process to make sure that our equipment is repeatable and accurate shows as our customer experiences it. So World EV Day isn't just for Graco to let the world know that we truly care about the production and manufacturing of batteries and different applications in an EV vehicle, but it also is a moment that we should take to really be thankful for the work that we do every day when we show up to work as Graco and how we show up to the customer when they experience our equipment. So thank you very much for coming today. Really appreciate your time and effort, and hopefully we can continue to show the world that we truly do care about the electrification